Hello and welcome to our instructional video on simplifying the integer exponent problem 2 to the power of 4. In this video, we will walk through step by step on how to solve this problem. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin solving the problem, simplify 2 raised to the power of 4. We first need to understand what the expression 2 raised to the power of 4 means. In mathematical terms, raising a number to an exponent means multiplying that number by itself as many times as the value of the exponent. Here, we have the number 2 raised to the power of 4. This means we need to multiply the number 2 by itself 4 times. So, we start by writing out the multiplication. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is how the expression is altered in this step. Instead of seeing 2 raised to the power of 4, we now see a series of multiplications. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Each 2 represents the number being multiplied by itself. To make it clear, 2 raised to the power of 4 is transformed into 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is the first step in simplifying the expression. We have expressed the exponentiation operation as repeated multiplication, which is easier to understand and solve using basic arithmetic. Step 2. Now that we have transformed the expression 2 raised to the power of 4 into repeated multiplication, we need to perform the multiplication step by step. Our goal is to simplify the expression to a single number. We start with the first 2 numbers, 2 times 2. When we multiply these, we get the result of 4, so 2 times 2 equals 4. This step combines the first 2 instances of the number 2. Next, we take this result, which is 4, and multiply it by the next number in the series, which is once again 2. So we need to perform the multiplication 4 times 2. When we calculate 4 times 2, we get the result of 8. Now we have simplified 2 times 2 times 2 to 8. The last step is to multiply 8 by the last 2 in our original series. When we perform the multiplication 8 times 2, we get the final result of 16. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 simplifies to 16. This is the final step in simplifying the expression. We have transformed the repeated multiplication into a single number, which is 16. So the simplified form of 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. And if it did, please drop me a like.